What's up guys, this is your boy Alpha Medtech and welcome to another dose of tech. Today we are going to talk about a very affordable way for get an amazing audio. Let's get started. One of the things that can help you tell your story other than visual is audio. For me, audio could be even better and more important than visual. Today, I am going to present you a very budget way, which is about $50 to improve your audio, and that's with the Rode VideoMicro microphone. Let's get right to the unboxing. This microphone includes the deck cat, which is to lower the wind noise when you're outside. So it also includes a shock absorber, cold shoe mount. It's essential. It just stops vibration whenever you are moving around. It's a very useful tool. You also get a removable 3.5 TRS cable, and the best thing about this mic is that you don't have to charge it, and once you plug it in you are good to go. No batteries, no hassle. And the microphone itself, it is made of aluminum, so it feels solid and also very lightweight. This mic is a cardioid pickup pattern. And then you're gonna say, wait Alpha, what does that mean? That means that it will only pick up sound that is directly from the front of the mic, while minimizing the side sounds and almost completely rejecting the rear ones. This is great, so the sound focuses on what is on you and not the background noise. Right now we are going to switch to this microphone in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, how does this sound? Right now you are listening to the Rode VideoMicro. And I'm just speaking just to talk, testing 1, 2, 3, Alpha Medtech. Now let's talk about things that I wish this microphone had. The only thing I have to complain is the fact that I wish that there was a way to control this microphone. Other than that, I believe it is a wonderful value for your money. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, since it will help me create more videos like this one. Smash that like button and click the bell icon so you stay tuned for more. Thank you and stay safe.